front, Ageless Expressions Med Spa has been optimizing testosterone in men for over 6 years with GainsWave. This is the healthiest mode of treatment, offering amazing overall results. Men's Health magazine calls GainsWave the new Viagra. And here with more is Becky Vanicelli, registered nurse and owner of Ageless Expressions Med Spa. Becky, always good having you here.
Thank you very much.
I want to hear about this new procedure. Tell us all about it.
Okay, so we optimize hormones real quick with a BioT therapy, and that's a testosterone replacement therapy, which is about overall health and wellness. The GainsWave protocol is to help with erectile dysfunction, or actually just performance. And what happens as we age is just a normal part of the process that our vasculature isn't so good. The blood doesn't get out to where it needs to be as efficient as it was when we were younger. And that's typically what the cause is with erectile dysfunction or slowing, poor performance that we have when we were younger. So GainsWave is an acoustic wave therapy that what it does is it mild blasts of energy, which you can see right there on the demonstration, and it breaks up that microplaque that's in the vasculature in the erectile tissue. It also helps correct blood vessels because those are poor. It makes them healthier, better to increase the circulation to the erectile tissue. And it also helps create new blood vessels to the area. So it just brings back to life, brings a much better functioning younger tissue.
And this is no surgery, no downtime, no drugs,
downtime. You can do it without meds. It is the healthiest, most natural way of taking care of this problem that is typically a normal part of aging, but it doesn't have to be. You don't have the side effects from the medications. You don't have to worry about if you have a history of a cardiac illness or different medications. This is perfectly safe with the best, most responsive results.
Now, there are a lot of things out there. A lot of people see, they hear commercials and all this in terms of new technologies and meds and things like that. You've mentioned some of the benefits of this, but if people were to be looking at them and go, which one should I do? Why should they then pick GainsWave?
Again, you don't have the risks with the medications.
Okay.
You'll end up with immediate results that you can count on. It's not like, oh, honey, are we going to have a date in a couple of hours? You don't have to plan ahead. This is much more natural. And also, the side effects can be awful for certain men, and a lot of men can't tolerate them.
Now, is this something that you have to have several treatments for?
What the typical protocol, and it varies depending on what your needs are. I mean, if you want it just for improved performance, we can treat you for and get you improved performance, all the way up to severe erectile dysfunction or even Peyronie's disease. We have protocols. So the typical protocol is 6 treatments. It needs to be done within a month period. We like to see you 2 or 3 times a week. And then on the 6th treatment, a lot of times we'll couple it with what's called a proprietary shot. And that's known as a P shot. And that's where we take your blood, your plasma, and your PRP, and we reintroduce it into the penis, again, to help growth factors, bring in your growth factors, help wake up your stem cells to help make healthier tissue, improve performance, improve girth, improve sensitivity.
So I know a lot of times we've talked about this in version of like a female version of something like this. It's something that many people feel is taboo. They don't want to talk to their doctors about it. Sometimes they can't even talk to their partners about it.
Exactly.
But you make this something that's very direct, very easy to talk about, to come in, and you really want to help a quality of life here.
And that's what it's about. At our age, it's about quality of life. We have stuff. It's about our relationships, our connections. Us as women, we have enough friends in our life. So it's nice to have that partner that we can engage in again. It's not that elephant in the room that we're not talking about. This is something that can be taken care of and help get you on to a better relationship.
So who would be the perfect candidate for something like this?
The perfect candidate is just, a man that's looking for improved performance. Someone with just a mild erectile dysfunction. Things just aren't working quite the way that they used to work. You don't have the spontaneity. You don't have the turnaround time. You don't have the ability to complete. All the way up to severe where you just can't. Or with the Peyronie's disease. And if you have Peyronie's, you know what it is, and we can help treat it.
Okay. You have a great offer for our viewers out there. Why don't you tell them what it's all about?
Okay. With our offer, it includes a free consultation and a post-care treatment kit, because there's some equipment that you're going to need following this to help get you the better results. With a GainsWave, again, it's typically 6 treatments, and then the P-shot is something separate. So give us a call. We will find out what's going to best meet your needs, and we will come up with a plan of care to help take care of you. We're having great results we'll have someone come in with a severe erectile dysfunction, and then by his 6th treatment, he is up into the mild, which is a phenomenal gain.
Well, a phenomenal gain in the fact that you can help these people, you're willing to do it, and also, again, no downtime,
no downtime.
Surgery. There's not a lot of the side effects that you might have from some of the medicines.
You're not going to have the side effects. It's wonderful. It's going to be your body fixing itself.
So again, and I have to stress, because I get to talk to you a lot here on the show, and that's so nice. You are someone who takes these issues. You're very direct but sensitive with it, and it's not something that's so taboo that you have to be living with it by yourself and not have anyone to talk to.
It's all about quality of life. We've been doing a very similar treatment for women, a laser for vaginal health and wellness. And I always tease, if your significant other likes the results, bring me a bottle of red wine. Well, now I'm turning it around. I'm telling the men, if your significant other likes the results, have her bring me a bottle of wine.
I have a feeling you have a lot of red wine.
I have a lot of friends now.
All right, here's the amazing offer from Ageless Expressions Med Spa. Free consultation and a free post-care treatment kit with purchase of procedure. Now book your appointment, and for more details, call now at 303-872-5111. Financing is available for anyone interested. Now, to learn more about Becky and all that she offers, you can go ahead and just visit her website at agelessexpressionsmedspa.com. And they paid for today's segment. Well, that's